I'm reading a book at the Wescott School's library. Construction site garbage crew to the rescue by Sherry Dusky, Renker, and A.G. Ford. Construction site garbage crew to the rescue. There is a place built long ago that once stood proud with lights aglow, but now the homes of yesterday are vacant and in disarray. This neighborhood, left to decay, needs some help, and right away. Could someone save this dear old town instead of knocking it all down? Today, this big, hard-working crew has new, important work to do. They are planning to do something great. This time, the team will renovate. What a job! They stop and stare at huge junk piles everywhere, with heaps of rubbish all around. There's not one clear spot to be found. Dump truck sighs along low huff. What do we do with all this stuff? Before the trucks can start work here, there's a ton of waste to clear, mounds of paper, junk, and trash, old leaves and food, all brown and smashed, bottles, cans in every size, and things they do not recognize. They'll need big help to clear and haul and hunk. They know just who to call. Help is coming, they can tell, because ew, what a smell! A fleet of heroes, and they drive. The whole earth shakes as they arrive. Rumbling, roaring, rolling through. They are great and strong and stinky too. It's the mighty garbage crew. First roll-off truck leads the pack, a huge container on his back. He looks around, surveys the space, and then backs up to get in place. Beep, beep, beep! His hoist is lifting high and strong. The box rolls right where it belongs. I'll pick this up when you are all done. He leaves to make another run. Container delivery truck drives through, leaving smaller dumpsters too. She sets them up in one low row. Now Big Trash has a place to go. Here's Flatbed rolling to a stop with special cargo up on the top. She's helping with the clean up plans. Here's a load of garbage cans. Skid steer rolls to Flatbed's gate, and now the two cooperate. Flatbed sets cans on the ground, and skid steer drives them all around. Now the clean up crew can begin. Construction friends start pitching in. They move the mess and organize and separate by kind and size. Some goes into trash, but most is for recycling or compost. Side loaders are coming through. Some lift one can, some lift two. Their arms extend and reach out long, while grabbers hug tight, holding strong. Rear loaders drive up alongside with hungry hoppers opened wide. They are grabbing cans and dumping too. This is what we love to do. Front loaders lift dumpsters, large and small. Strong forks hold firm. Dumpsters don't fall. They are gently set back on the ground. They are ready for another round. Garbage trucks are rolling, lifting, working long and strong, persisting. Hoppers are all open wide as the trash is dumped inside. Packer panels crushing, mashing, pushing, pressing, firmly smashing. Cans fly up, but nothing's spelled. The trucks eat trash until they are refilled. Container forks, arms, hopper cover, packer panel, rear door, body, container arm lift, rear light. And all the while, the building team has been working at full steam. They are bringing loads of 2x4s, installing windows, roofs, and doors, and tearing down what can't be fixed, while fresh concrete is getting mixed. They fix and fill and shore up walls, building strong so nothing falls. They plant new trees and pave the streets. The neighborhood is fresh and neat. With good hard work, this mighty crew made these old houses look like new. Garbage trucks make one last run to tidy up, and then they are done. The dumpsters are all hauled away, and now the team can end their day. Thank you so much, garbage crew. We are so grateful you came through. A job well done by all they know, but now it's late and time to go. With one last look, they stop to see the whole street fixed up perfectly, looking better than before, standing straight and proud once more. Off they rumble, roar, and roam, with houses finished, they head home. This renovation went just right. Great job, crew. Now, shh. Good night. The end. Yay!